Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka jela Meghalaya harengkat bat ke jela jongkari India barok kawe. Henne kesngi kilawan ban tap vote ban jit naki arngut ki kertong ban long presiden jongkari. Haba keren bat kinong tok kubor hadian baladep tap vote. U menteri rangba ka jela ulaong bakade ka kamram jong barok kinong mikman ban jit yaki presiden jongkari. Ula ongru ba ukpa jong u uporno sangma udai uwe ubala mat phang halor kani bat ula le ru bon ki aka haka jing em jong u haka ba ula ya khon ru ya kashuki president hagis nem baladem wala shemla la ban yo ya ka jing jong haka ba ya dei bat ki mat babun ki basa teng ula ong balada ka kertong jong ke NDA ka Draupadi Murmu kan job bat yo ban long president kan bun ki kam ki ba ka hab ban Pyndep khamtam Haba Ïadei bat ki Riewlum haka ba ya dei bat ka ILP na kalyang menteri rangba ula ong ba ka sarkar jilla kala menjor ya ka resolution bat ka sarkar jilla kadang bodien ya ka nikamat bat ka sarkar pedeng.
And of course, as I said, and I've maintained very clearly that the state government has done what it could. The legislature has done what it could in terms of passing the resolution and putting it forward. And now the ball, as I said, is in the court of the central government. And we will continue to engage with the central government and see how we can take it to the logical conclusion.
Do you think the day should be dedicated to PS Sangma as he dreamed to achieve the post?
Well, it is an important day, and as I said, that it was something that he had always very, very strongly advocated. And I would not want to be the person to say that we should dedicate it, because obviously, being my father, it would not look appropriate. But yes, and as a son, of course, it's a great day in terms of the fact that it was one of the very important issues and agendas that he had taken, and he had in fact mentioned that there will be a time soon when a tribal will become the president of this country, and I would like to show the way for it. And I think today we are on that direction. As I said, one cannot say till the results are out, but yes, I'm very happy that that today the candidature of the NDA is a tribal woman. So it's not just for the tribals, but even for women, it's a very important day.
Do you regret that?
He has been somebody who has done a lot in his life, and he's been remembered for it. And I think this is something that, though he knew was a very, very difficult challenge even at that point in time, he went ahead and took up the challenge. So I think what he did during that time laid the foundations, I should say, in a way, for this day to happen. And it is a small contribution in one way that he put. So I think one cannot judge it and say we regret it or we not that it didn't happen that time. I think it was his contribution to the entire process, and he has made that contribution, and I'm happy about that. Very important, and as elected members, it is one of our duties to vote as we get the opportunity to vote for the president of the country. So it is in fact an honor for each of the elected members, and most of the members have already casted their votes, and let us see the results when it comes up. The counting is on 21st, but I encourage and urge the rest who have not voted, I think one or two are left, that they should quickly come and cast their votes. The concerns and the issues have always been there, and a person, if she's elected to the post of the president, obviously with that post and being the highest post in the country, obviously there will be a huge impact on the different issues concerning the tribals, is what all of us expect, and we know that it's going to happen. But obviously, saying that everything will disappear is something that we cannot say, we cannot conclude that. But I'm sure that it will have a huge impact on the entire situation and scenario, not just about the different atrocities, but I think overall, let's look at the positive side of it also. There are important development issues and concerns that are there for the tribal. I'm sure that will also be addressed, and I'm sure that there will be more importance on the issues of the tribal.